Do you want to improve your English pronunciation and accent like a native speaker? Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can improve your English pronunciation and accent using Cambridge Dictionary. Okay, so before we start, let's see here. I'm gonna talk about this dictionary that is called Cambridge Dictionary. So here you can see this is how it looks. So let me show you how you can use Cambridge Dictionary actually. So there we go. So whatever the word you want to search for, you can simply type in here and you will be able to hear its pronunciation and you will be able to learn about its meaning and pronunciation and all of those things. Okay, so here is the word that I am gonna talk about, and that is plumber. So if you look at this word here, plumber, this word is plumber. So if you want to learn how to, if you want to know how to pronounce this word actually, so you can just here click on this UK version or the US version. There are two standard pronunciation. If you want to listen to the UK one, the British English pronunciation, you can click on here and you will be
plumber,
yeah, like you can hear, like you can listen to, you will be able to hear or listen to the pronunciation, the correct pronunciation of this word, and that is UK version, the British English version. And if you want to look at the pronunciation of, if you want to look at the American English pronunciation of this word, you will,
plumber,
yeah, this is the American one. So whenever you are in doubt, just come here, and this is your go-to place. Whenever in doubt, you can come here directly and you can listen to the correct pronunciation of any word. Cambridge Dictionary is one of the most trusted online dictionaries out there. If you like these symbols you can see here, these are called the IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet. These symbols help us to pronounce words correctly even if this spelling is confusing. For example, for instance, here you can look at this word. The spelling is plumber, and that is plumber. If you look at its spelling and try to pronounce the word, you will pronounce this word like plumber, but actually this word is plumber. There isn't any b sound. So how do we know that? By looking at its phonetic transcription, that is called IPA. So these symbols help us to pronounce words correctly. So this is how we can use Cambridge Dictionary to improve our accent and pronunciation. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment a word that you find difficult to pronounce. And see you in the next video.